Hey guys, welcome back. It's like 9 o'clock on the 25th and I was working on new releases for tomorrow. They're probably gonna go up Friday. I did just do the Amy Draw vinyls. I kind of did a test release to see how well like my listing worked, because like I have the 5-inch, the 6.5, and then the 3, and so far it's gone pretty smooth. I've only had 5 orders, so like 6 or 7 decals, so it's been like relatively good. I'm okay with like a soft opening before I start unleashing all the vinyls, because that's when I think it's gonna get a little bit more complicated. So I got my other nail stuff in. I think you guys saw my first one on a vlog, because I haven't fully released them yet. And this one is so pretty. This is like a purple one. May blind you, may blind myself, I don't really know at this point. Look how pretty this one is. And the containers are much more full. These are from the Born Pretty shop, or store, however you wanna. I just got them off Amazon. Oh! Do you disagree? Oh, why are you running away? Because I opened a package? Hi! Hi! Mickey! What? Where are you? I hear you. Hi. Oh, my Mickeys. You want to say hi to the vlog? No? Oh, Mickeys. Oh, you're stuck on mom. Why are you trying to flash the vlog? Oh, he's just gonna sit here. So, is this the purple one? No, this was kind of like a bluish one. This one isn't as full, but it's still super nice. And then this is like the pink one. Hi, Mickey. Hello. Come on. Mickey is going to town. And then, yeah, this one I'm like really excited for. Like, look at how pretty that is. So I'm like really excited. Hi, what are you doing? Yeah, you can see the cat hair all over me. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm waiting. Ooh, Mickey hair. I'm waiting on 1 or 2 more things. Oh, and my Simply Gilded box comes tomorrow. I have to say, I give her a hands down to listening to all of us frustrated people and doing something about it. You know, a lot of people would be like, well, it's not my fault, it's Etsy. But she took the Shopify and it went so much more smooth, like with Shopify versus the Etsy. And I am like so impressed that she did that. I know she'd been working on it for a while, and I'm just like, hats off to her. So I'm excited that I get that tomorrow. And then my like regular order, I got almost, I think I got every bow except for the rainbow bow, because I don't think she released the rainbow bow. Like, I think she forgot. So I didn't get that one. And then that should be shipping. I think she said she had 2 weeks processing. It may be 2 to 3, but I want to say it's 2. But this is the other vinyl that I want to release. I think it's going to go up. Mickey. Goodbye. Thank you for leaving me a crap ton of hair. There we go. There we go. So it's this really pretty pink and this really pretty blue, and then that silver hollow. It's so pretty. So that I think is gonna go in the next one. That's kind of what I'm leaning towards. Throw this stuff away. I need to clean my office as usual, as you guys know. I did a little bit of cleaning, so it's not like terrible. Although my vinyl stuff kind of got everywhere. I have all these, and these are actually already spoken for. So I like that I can do these like ready to ship. So I think I'm going to do a couple other colors in the like a messy bun getting stuff done, because people really like that these are pretty much ready to ship. And then I have the bows as well. And there we go. And since these were primarily in this, and then I have like the letter decals. This is a C. It's gonna be, anyway, it's gonna be backwards for you. That I didn't want to offer these in the vinyls yet, because I don't think I have enough to offer just like wide open. So once I kind of get a feel of like what I can like piece together for the vinyls, I'll be able to have more quantities and probably more realistic quantities versus like, yeah, this looks good, I think it's good. No, I want to stay as realistic as possible, because I would hate to run out of something and I can't get it. That would be terrible. But I'm really excited for this. I feel like there was something else I needed to tell you, but I think this is gonna be just a quick one. Like, I think this is it. Because I'm tired. I did a lot of orders yesterday, which you probably saw. Ah! My bad. So yeah, I'm gonna go because I'm a mess, and I'm gonna shower and go to bed. So, all right, I will see you later. Hello, today is April 26th, and I'm about to hit the gym. My sweet gym outfit. Just rocking a t-shirt. I think the leggings I showed you last time. So yeah, this is where we're at. Unfortunately, I'm wearing makeup today. So I'm going to work out on makeup, which I hate doing. I'm not gonna lie, I hate working out in makeup because I sweat a lot and I just like, we'll have to make it. I don't know what we're doing today. I'm going to walk on the treadmill probably 30 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna start with my trainer. I'll try to record at least some of it if I can remember. That way it's not like weird, which I think last week's I also got some, or 2 weeks ago. I'll link it up here if I have it. So yeah, and I really hope I have a hair tie, because I ain't gonna have this. I got caught in the rain so much today. Look at it, it's terrible. We'll be all right.
We about to turn it on. We about to turn it up.
Hey guys, it's April 27th. I don't think I vlogged yesterday, and I went on a walk this afternoon, so I'm even more red than usual, if that's possible. I went on like a 15-minute walk, and I got sunburned. I mean, I'm usually red, but like you can see that it's a little bit more pink over there. But anyway, it's 7 o'clock. I just got home from work, and I have to go back tomorrow morning. I was supposed to be at the Nashville Planner Meetup. It's like an event, and I'm so sad I don't get to go. You know, work takes precedence, but still, it kind of sucks. But guess what I got? Simply Gilded. I'm so excited. I'm going to wait until I get my other order, which actually just shipped from Simply Gilded. So today is a new day, and I'm so excited. I feel like shit. So, and I've been working all day, but I got my monitor. So I got a little 7-inch. Oh, it's just like a box you lift up. Maybe. Excuse my zooming. This wasn't sealed. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Oh, there I am. Disaster and all. Yeah. I mean, I can't tell if it's used or not. I don't think it is. It shouldn't be. I bought it new. But, you know, you never know. And then I got something else. I don't remember what, though. I remember. So apparently this doesn't, it's only battery operated. So I had to order like an actual plug. I also got something else, but it's not in the box. It said it was delivered today, so maybe it's just delivered in the mailbox. It wasn't in here. Yeah, so I got these two things. My Simply Gilded, my other order shipped. This is the box that I showed yesterday. And then I got this. I'm so excited because it's about, ignore my meal prep trash back there. I'm excited because then when I film nail videos and playing with me's and anything that I'm not like staring at the camera for, this is gonna help me stay in frame. Literally, that's why I bought it. Whatever you do, don't ever ask me to help you meal prep. That's my diced onions. I'm terrible.
What are you doing?
Showing our delicious mini burgers.